Well, Phil, FA Cup third round weekend, and it's great to be part of what is such an iconic weekend in the football calendar.
Yeah, we've had to work hard to get to this round, and you know, we're looking forward to it. It's a bonus game for us, really, in terms of a welcome distraction, as I've said before, from the league campaign. And it's a good test for us to go down at Coventry. They're an excellent championship team. I had the opportunity to go and see them at the weekend against Bristol City. So yeah, we're all looking forward to it, taking an amazing following down with us, and it's a day we can go really embrace.
We've heard the amount of fans we're taking, and it's credit to them, to the club, and this is why we want these games at these big stadiums, and why we want to push up the leagues, because we have the fan base to take thousands to away games, and obviously we know what we can do here and pack this stadium out. So it's going to be a great day for the club, and yeah, it's one we're all really excited for.
The overall ambition of the club has to be to get back into the Football League, but with the FA Cup, how does this competition and this game against Coventry in particular help you do that?
Well, first of all, it's a test. Like, playing against a team from a higher division is what we kind of have been waiting for. We've played Blythe and Farnborough, two teams where, you know, they were able to play the underdog card, like say the shoe is on the other foot. What does it give us to the league for? Well, it's just momentum of good performances we can take into the next couple of weeks. Equally financially, it has helped because the cup run generates money, TV cameras, etc. So that helps me, you know, in terms of strengthening the squad if we need to.
Can I ask you about the relationship between Wrexham and the FA Cup as well, because there's a history there, and I just wonder, are the people around the club bringing up that famous Arsenal game a lot? You know, does it get spoken about a lot?
No, we haven't really spoken about it a lot, to be fair. I think we're just taking one game at a time, not getting ahead of ourselves. We're delighted to be in the third round, and really, like I said, really looking forward to the Coventry away, and if we can beat them and then get a great draw after that as well, it'd be great. But obviously we've got the challenge ahead of us on Saturday, and it'll be a really tough game. But yeah, hopefully we can win it, and we can get another great draw in the next round.